is determine the torque T which cause a maximum shearing stress of 70 megapascal in the steel cylinder shaft show. So, dito sa regular, natay 18 mm kaya na ito isang yung T. So, solution is natay formula na Gmax equals to PC over J. So, itong J is 5 over 2 C to the power 4. So, Gmax is equals to 5 over 2 C to the power C cubic C. So, Tmax is 5 over 2 times 0.018 to the power 3. So, times 70 times 10 to the power 6. So, Tmax is 641 newton-meter. So, take point 2 is determine the maximum shearing stress caused by the torque of magnitude T is equals to 800 newton-meter. So, solution is Tmax PC over J. So, dito is 5 over 2 C4. So, Tmax is 2T over 5 C cube square. Equals to 2 times 800 over 5, 0.08 cube. So, itong Tmax is 87.3 times 10 to the power 6 Pascal. Ito siya kung sa kPa. So, 87.3 megapascal.